So this is part 3 of the download section. If you come down here to the section where it says download project for the source code, and this video is going to go into this section right here with it. But I need for you on the right hand side over here on my screen, I have also opened up the eCampus, and I need for you to go into our class in eCampus and click on the class exercises and find class exercise number 5. Of course, I will have the Word document here in addition to this. I'm using Firefox, so if you can please click on this link. It says class ex5 tic-tac-toe, download project source code. You download this, and this is the file that I would like for you to download, and I'm using Firefox, so it's going to have a download icon up here, and this is what it looks like in here. This is the file that I downloaded with it as well. So it's a zip file, it's a compressed file, which means that you have to extract it. So I want to show you how to extract this. This is the file that has a zipper on there. So I'm going to right mouse click on it and click on extract all. And once you do that, you notice this file that I extracted does not have a zipper. Then I take this file. I need for you to move this file or copy it or move it to your local drive onto your drive with it. So I have created a folder called today's our class ARTV 2371, and here's the folder that I just moved it in. So it has this content in here. So I'm going to take it from here. I'm going to go to our Android. So I might have to pause it. Here it is. So it's loading right now. So I have it loaded. Just, so don't update anything. Don't do what I did. I updated. So this is the file. Let me just close out everything that I just have with it. And once you start Android, you should have a dialog box like this. Okay. This dialog box, I want you to, in this dialog box, I want you to do, you're not going to do a new project. I have created everything for you. You're going to fill in the code in here. So once you extracted that, you're going to click on open, navigate to this file structure. This is my file structure, but your file structure is going to be different. Look for the one that has the emoji or Android emoji where I extracted and I moved it to. It should say class ex5 underscore tic-tac-toe underscore student. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click OK. So once that's loaded, we're ready to go. So let me pause my recorder for a or maybe I'll leave this right now with it, and I'm going to zoom in Hey, let me zoom in a little bit more on the file structure that you're about to edit. The first video, when we start coding after this thing, is you're going to talk about the colors. This is the color one right here, and you're going to code the color, all the colors in here with it. The second one is the strings, which I have open here, which is the strings with it. If you notice each one of these tabs I have open here, I'm going to start the code. The third one is the styles. Every one of these, I want you to go in, make sure from the color, strings, and all the resource files with it, I have comments in here. So, for example, where it says insert your full name and date here, please put your name in between those comments right here. It starts out with a left explanation, just put your name in here between the left explanation dash and the closing of the comments is the dash greater than sign. So anything between here and here, you would actually place your name. So my name is Dan Dow, and I will put today's date as 04 whatever today's date is. That says the 15 22. Okay, that's today's date, Easter. All right. So above I already put in there. So make sure all this is you comment out. I grade for this as well. So make sure you have the proper grading, the proper files that you have comment out in here, and do that for the strings, do that for the strings, do that for the styles, do that for your activities, do that for your main activities.java. All right. So every one of these files that we're going to talk about in here, I have commented out the section we're going to go in here. I'm going to talk about each one of the code and how it works with it as well. All right. I'm going to stop right here for this is the end of class exercise number. Class exercise number 5, end of part 3.